Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the smartest purchase decisions. Today, we've got a drone showdown that's hotter than a summer barbecue. On the left, we have the slick and sturdy Ruko F11PRO, and on the right, the featherweight champion, the Potensic Atom SE. Which one will take the crown? Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the price tag. The Ruko F11PRO is priced at $389. It's quite the investment, but many reviewers say it's worth every penny for its build quality and features. On the other hand, the Potensic Atom SE comes in at a more wallet-friendly $299. Reviewers appreciate its affordability, especially given its impressive performance and features. Now, let's see which one of these bad boys can stay in the air the longest. The Ruko F11PRO boasts a solid 60 minutes of flight time with its 2 batteries. Reviewers love how this allows for extended filming sessions. But wait, Potensic Atom SE is here to steal the show with a whopping 62 minutes of flight time. Reviewers highlight its long-lasting battery life, making it perfect for long adventures. Alright, let's talk cameras. Because what's a drone without some epic aerial shots? The Ruko F11PRO rocks a 4K UHD camera with a 120 degrees FOV lens and 90 degrees adjustable camera. Reviewers rave about its stunning clarity and vivid colors. The Potensic Atom SE, on the other hand, is packing a 4K EIS camera with a Sony sensor. Reviewers are impressed with its smooth footage and high-quality video, making it ideal for capturing professional-grade shots. Now, for all you newbie pilots out there, which drone is easier to fly? The Ruko F11PRO comes with beginner settings, follow me mode, tap fly, point of interest, and hand gesture shots. Reviewers find it user-friendly and perfect for beginners. The Potensic Atom SE is also praised for its ease of use, with its Surge Fly flight control system offering beginner mode, video mode, normal mode, and sport mode. Reviewers appreciate its versatility and how it caters to pilots of all skill levels. Let's see which drone can handle the wind without flying off to Oz. The Ruko F11PRO can resist level 6 winds, thanks to its brushless motor and aluminum alloy casing. Reviewers commend its durability and strong wind resistance. Meanwhile, the Potensic Atom SE, despite its lightweight build, can resist level 5 winds. Reviewers are impressed with its stability even in windy conditions, calling it small but mighty. Lost your drone? No problem. The Ruko F11PRO has a GPS auto return home feature that ensures it comes back to you when it's lost signal or low on power. Reviewers appreciate this reliable feature. The Potensic Atom SE also has precise GPS auto return, with multi-flight modes like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Circle Flight. Reviewers love its comprehensive features and how it acts like a personal tour guide. Both drones have received positive feedback from users. The Ruko F11PRO is praised for its build quality, ease of use, and advanced features, making it a solid investment. The Potensic Atom SE is lauded for its affordability, high-quality camera, and ease of use, making it a great choice for beginners and experienced pilots alike. So there you have it, folks. The Ruko F11PRO and the Potensic Atom SE, both amazing drones with their own unique perks. Whether you want the durability and camera quality of the Ruko or the lightweight, long flight time of the Potensic, you can't go wrong. Let us know in the comments which one you'd pick and why. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another Buy Smart showdown. Until next time, fly safe and buy smart. Product links are in the description.